Not trash trucks, taco trucks, but it sounds like it's a trash man, maybe. What if that's the same guy that hit this guy? Wish we could get him.
I just put my butt in.
Goddamn cats! Fucking cats.
Scratching and shit. They won't shut up.
Yeah, they're meowing like crazy.
Yeah.
Here, let me move out of here.
Like it's dinner time.
Gotta get the fucking
These fucking cats out of here.
These fucking cats out of here. The bumps are too much. Oh my god.
Oh,
dude.
there you go.
Oh, I'm gonna run and jump off the damn. Ah! Oh my god, dude.
Oh god.
Martin, look at the cats! Martin, I think this one likes me. Can we keep it?
Can we get in?
We could probably non-legitly get in.
They're gonna open the door with the
Yes. Yes, you can.
I'm done. I'm walking away. I'm done.
Getting out's gonna be interesting. It's getting in.
Yeah, let's take them inside.
All right.
Did you just flop out too?
Yep, just flopped right on out.
Fuck. Come here. I drove you to the station. Oh, fuck this.
He said, fuck it.
It's not worth
I drove you to the station.
You gonna attack him?
Yep.
Righty.
Jeez. Eggs?
Yeah.
Ah, it just hit me! Oh god, get on the fucking car.
A bike right there.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Get him. He just fell.
He fell.
This is it. This is it for him.
I can't attack.
Oh no.
No. Oh, I got it.
Oh my god, yeah, you can.
You gotta target him.
Oh, you do.
Oh god.
Oh shit, we're gonna hit each other. Oh my god, we're taking his throat out.
Oh my god. This is the this is the most ridiculous shit. Oh my god.
There's a cop over there too. Oh my god, he's grabbing his legs and shit.
He's getting mauled by 2 mountain lions.
Oh my god, run. No, I was like in flowers.
Oh, I'm gonna
and
attack
stuff.
him. I'm gonna run up behind him.
Yeah, do it. Yeah, there's 2 of them.
Yep.
And if you get one when he turns around,
I'm going for it. I'm going for it. I'm going for one. I'm going for one.
Get him. Go for the other one. Go for the other one. Go for the other one. Here we go, baby. Maul the other one. Maul the other one.
The other one's down. I got him 3-4 times.
Fuck. Oh, dead.
Yeah,
Just dead.
Just dead.
Damn it.
Yeah, that.